What is up, guys? Today we're going to be opening some boxes and we're going to try and get a red flashlight. Box number 1. What do we get? Flash, nut, big flashlight. No, stop. Crowbar, RPG ammo, and whatever this finally. And then we got. Whoa! I totally got a red flashlight, and definitely not more ammo. Guys, make sure you guys subscribe.